大家好，欢迎收听唱歌学中文。Hi everybody, welcome to Sing and Learn Chinese. Today we're going to talk about the lyrics for 画家 house drawing. Actually, this title, there's a little bit of a play on words here because 画 literally means drawing or art, and 家 it has multiple meanings. It can mean house or home or family. It can also mean somebody who is something. So like an artist would be a 画家. A musician would be a 音乐家, and so on and so forth. So 画家 can mean house drawing, sort of, but actually if you say 画家 to a Chinese person, Chinese speaking person, the first thing they're going to think of is artist. So there's a double meaning there. All right, let's get into the lyrics. The first line is 想画个房子，想画个家. So 想 means want to, right? This is a word that we've come across in previous lyrics explained videos, but 想 can mean think and it can mean want depending on the context. And in the context here, it means want. So want to draw a 房子 is house. And then want to draw a 家 can also mean house. Remember we talked about how 家 can mean house or home or family. So 房子 is more literally a house. 家 is more nebulous. There are more meanings to this word. So want to draw a house, want to draw a home, you could say. Or want to draw a house, want to draw a family or something like that. The second line is 里面有爸爸也有妈妈. 里面 means inside. 有 means there is or has. You know, that word has a few meanings as well, but basically there is. 爸爸 is dad, and then 也 means also, and then 有 again, which is has, also there is. Mama is mom. So inside there's daddy and there's mommy, basically. So yeah, usually 爸爸 would be dad or daddy. Mama is mom or mommy. You could also say 爸妈, which is like dad, mom. Let's see. Next line, we've got 兄弟姐妹在外面玩耍. 兄弟姐妹 means siblings. And the reason why is because the word 兄 refers to older brother, 弟 refers to younger brother, 姐 refers to older sister, and 妹 refers to little sister. So the thing is that's kind of interesting about this is 兄 is a more literary way of saying older brother. When you are talking about your own older brother colloquially, you would say 哥哥 or 哥哥, depending on your accent. So 哥哥 is the more formal way of saying it. In Taiwan, I think this is explained in one of the introductory videos. It's probably the How Chinese Works video, but I'll have to check on that. But usually in Chinese, in Taiwan, Taiwanese Chinese, a lot of people will say 哥哥, 姐姐, mama, baba. So they do this third tone, second tone construction of family names. But that's common in Taiwan. I don't think it's very common in other parts of China, especially the north and so on. But anyway, so 兄 is the more literary way of saying older brother, but colloquially we would say 哥哥 or 哥哥. The other three though, 弟弟, 姐姐, 妹妹, those are correct. So if you say 弟弟, that's little brother, 姐姐 is older sister, 妹妹 is little sister. So usually in colloquial speech you would double up the words. It would be 弟弟, two 弟弟, 姐姐, two 姐s, and then 妹妹, two 妹s, right? That's how you would say my sister, 妹妹, 我的妹妹, my little sister, 我的姐姐, my older sister, like that. You could also say 我妹, like my little sister, in a kind of shortened form. But now I think I'm getting into too many details. Anyways, the point is older brother, older sister, younger sister. When you put those four characters together, that means sibling. 兄弟姐妹, or siblings rather. Okay, 在外面. So 在 is in at on, indicating location. 外面 is outside, and then 玩耍 is playing around, having fun. So my siblings, or whoever this narrator is, their siblings are outside playing. And then we finally have our first pronoun, 我, which is I. 画的房子, the house that I drew. So 房子 is house. 画 means draw, right? And 的 is a possessive particle. That means the house that I drew. So the house that was drawn by me, basically. 我画的房子像不像? 像 means like or similar. So looks like, basically. And then like or not like. 不 means not. So 像不像 means like or not like. In other words, the house that I drew, is it or is it not like 我们的家? 我们 is us. So you see the 我 means me, and then whenever you add the 们 after the me, it becomes plural. So lots of me, I guess, would be us. 你们, ni means you. So 你 plus a 们 becomes you plural. 他 means him or her, depending on how you write it, but the pronunciation is the same. And if you add a 们 to that word, 他们 becomes them. So 我们的家, so our family, our home. So all together, basically, it's 想画个房子,想画个家 means I want to draw a house. I want to draw a family or a home. The I is understood because you don't really get the word I until that last line. Then the second line is 里面有爸爸也有妈妈, which means inside of apparently this house that this person is drawing, there's dad and then there's mom. 兄弟姐妹在外面玩耍. So the siblings are outside of this house playing. 我画的房子像不像我们的家? The house that I'm drawing, is it not like our family, our home? And that's basically what it is. Very simple, only 4 lines, lots of key vocabulary in here. You've got mom, dad, siblings, drawing, house, 2 forms of house. You've got literal physical house, and then you've got the more metaphysical, could be house, could be home, could be family. And then I also told you about the pun behind the name of this song. So there you are. That is the house drawing, or the artist, if you want to say it that way. And that's it for this week. I will see you guys in the next Lyrics Explained video. Until we see you again, 再见.